Hey guys, this is 2 weeks before our
wedding.
No.
Our wedding?
No. 2 weeks before our trip. And this is what Huda got. So these are the things that she got us. Obviously, purple is me color. Green, honestly, is mine too, but it's okay. This one's for Aliyah, the blue one. And then the pink one is Huda. But yeah, this is just a preview of what's about to happen in
2 weeks.
2 weeks. July 19th.
Be ready.
Mark your calendars.
It's a big day, guys.
A big day for the whole entire America. So,
it's a holiday.
Better be there.
Where do we go now? I think we go there. I think we go there.
It's painted. Look at that.
Our car.
Something's wrong with her.
She don't want to move. She don't want to budge. She don't. Okay, guys, we're trying in sport mode,
And turn right.
we shall see if it works.
Stay tuned. This is our fit for Aquarium. Wait.
What is this?
Our matching little flower clips.
That Huda got us.
Cute. Wait, let's do a fit check.
Oh, this AliExpress. This top, I think it's from Boohoo. This is from TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop. And then my
Nice.
shoes will be New Balance.
New Balance. Right. Okay. My fit. My scarf is from Somali Mall. My top is from Free People. My necklace is from Enro Colin Diaz collab.
Okay.
Skirt Free People. Belt Free People. Don't look at my dogs, but my shoes are Coach.
Yup, she got the
Yes.
Coaches on.
Yep. Wait, Jenna is like... Jenna's somewhere. She's done. Okay. This is all that matters.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm here for the fish, guys. I don't care about fish. Look at the fishies. They're touching sea anemones, guys, and starfish. We are now in under another tank.
Maybe this way.
Taking more pics because it looks so cute. I love indoor pics. This is my shit. I am not an outdoor girly. So
Whoa, this is so pretty. It's so bright.
I'm a talker. I'm a yapper. So I'm gonna be talking in these vlogs because like vlogs are not fun if you're not talking. I'm not no aesthetic ass. Like I say, it's so cute. Yes. Like, yeah.
So, we're done with the aquarium. And we are on the way to go get boba because we are so freaking thirsty. But yeah.
Hey guys, a quick update on our journey today. We are at Monkey Tea because we need to pick me up. And it's 90 degrees and it's too hot. And then we can get after this. I got just a classic milk tea. Huda got a creme brulee milk tea, and I don't know what I got. Taro.
I was inspired by someone.
If you know, you know. Our actual crab. You already know! I'm a victim of these fish balls with pork inside. Feasting! Feasting! She's still feasting. She chilling.
Good morning. We are up at, what time is it right now? 6:30 to go to Universal. Yeah. She's dead on the inside.
Check. Okay, we do Huda first.
Okay. Well, Veiled, Free People, Abercrombie, New Balance.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
Yeah. Olia's turn.
I don't remember. I think H&M,
Uh-huh.
Indo, Boohoo, New Balance.
Yeah. Jaunty.
Bella, Thrifted, Bershka, Somebuzz.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we're at Wawa. What she said, yeah.
We are waiting for our food and matcha drink.
Yeah, you already know that's a must.
That's me.
You already know this is a must. We have to go to Wawa and get our matcha for the morning. Ada orang lihat. Ada orang lihat tadi di belakang.
Oh, kenapa? Ada orang liatin?
Okay. Anyway. Catch y'all later.
We are eating breakfast in the car and chilling with the AC on. Moment of silence because before we start the day.
I just knew that the camera was on me, y'all. But yeah, we headed to Universal.
Let's go. We are waiting for the thing to be open.
This is the line. Not it.
It's so panas. It's only freaking 8:40.
Satu. In the morning. And here we are.
And this is Jenna right now. She is already bothered because it's hot. I don't blame her. It's so hot right now.
See y'all when we get inside. Actually get inside.
Finish our first ride of the day.
So crazy, so good.
I
We
lost.
went on the Hulk and
This is the Hulk.
it was so good. Probably one of the best rides I think here. So
I lost an earring.
started off really strong.
Yes.
We rode the apa namanya?
Tower Doomsday Tower. Yeah, Tower
Pretty
Doom.
good. I give it a 6. It's good. I still liked it.
Are going to the King Kong ride. It's only a 10-minute wait, so hopefully it should be good. It's about to get dark.
Whoa.
So much better than cold. I might just get one for myself. That's what it looks like. It has like a sweet cold foam. What is that? What fruit is that?
It's like the Heather's candy.
Oh, yeah.
This is our actual houses.
Yeah.
Not from those BuzzFeed questions quiz.
Gotta confirm.
I love that it's green. I really want to green. That's so cute.
We are in the 3 broomsticks. And if you know, you know. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh, so cool. The bank. I forgot the name.
During God's bank.
And we're gonna ride the ride. And it's a 45-minute wait. Look at that line.
Yeah, so y'all went crazy.
Gotta check in our gallery. Us with the goblins.
Dude, so one
She looks good. I'm blind.
Oh my god, trolls. So this girl wants pics. Ada orang di belakang. Her and her weird obsession with trolls. Is I guess me and Jenna with Harry Potter. Universal Studios. So these playgrounds. Look what I found. Got a Shrek! Shrek's
Let's hold hands.
So, hey guys, I think we're about to crash into the sun.
Where do we go? I think we gotta go there.
I think we turn there. Where?
Go there.
I don't think they bend. Go there.
Oh, yeah!
No. Oh, you gotta turn.
Yummy. It's hard. It's gonna be crunchy.
Alright guys, we look rough, but we're gonna go get tacos. See y'all there. Bye. It's kind of humid outside. First of all, the consume is only $1. And there's tres leches. My big bag said yes. She said yes. Okay guys, so we secured the goods. They're in the back, sitting there. I'm so excited to grab, like, as if you couldn't tell.
Good morning. It's 6:20. We're gonna go head to the beach. We're gonna go
Jet skiing.
Woo!
See you guys on the road to the beach, 2 hours away.
All right. Jenna looks like a dad with that. We are here for the jet ski. This is
fire. Honestly, that's been like your job of years ago. Not to the end of
At a restaurant and it took forever.
It's already malam. Yeah, we're at a like Jam Milan. We're at a Thai sushi place, and we're just gonna get stuff to go and then go to the beach to see. First of all, take pics.
I'm not viewing.
Second, look at the bioluminescence, and then third, obviously grub because
Maybe grub first.
we're starving. Well, yeah, not in that order, but that's just what we're doing. But yeah. Jam.
And I can't wait for miso soup because bruh.
Horribly so stupid.
You got miso soup?
That's what I was talking to her. I was like, Huda, you're gonna bring that to go? Like,
No, but that sounds so good. I want miso soup.
miso soup.
We are walking to the beach. We missed the sunset because we took a nap. And the nap was too good. So this is our view right now. Yeah, and we got our sushi and everything, so yeah, hopefully nothing happens. But yeah, we'll see how it goes.
That's a good crab angle. Wow, you're so good.
2, 1.
Maybe you just need to go back to the ocean.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
This is our last day today. Look at that. So serene. Oh my god. So pretty. Our last day here.
And then bye bye, Florida.
And bye bye, Florida. Me and who? Look at this. There's
I think
one.
we know who.
Okay, there's the one. He's in. No. She lived too much. And Jenna's she just posed ready.
Me and me.
A jet ski preferably really counts. And I don't know, just something. Please, or both. Okay. a few animals. We found Wait! The bird that we're talking about. Okay, bye-bye, turtle.
Few. And
Notice, there are alligators are common in this area. It's not that dangerous.
look, that's the alligator.
So I can see the video like this. Unboxing of the food. Wow. It smells so good. Fat, yeah.
Yum. Got the same thing too. Look at your bowl. It's so like
It's bigger than
it's
my
wow.
hands.
It's really pretty. Your bowl.
me feel.
Look how big this is.
It is really big. I know you guys. I know some of you have been wondering where I was throughout this vlog. I'm here, but not here. Physically, I'm here. Mentally, I'm somewhere else. You, oh my god. She's not, I just get cringe. Don't get cringe. I'm cringing myself. Okay, delete. This is what happens when Florida gives us attitude.
Florida has such a huge attitude. This is what I'm gonna do. Attitude.
Walk off. My turn. You tell me.
Okay. Attitude. Walk off.
Oh wait, we don't even know where to go.